Good afternoon to everyone. I am P. Harshavardhan studying 8th class in Veeram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today I will explain you about static charge. First of all, what is static charge? The electric charge that produced by rubbing is called static charge. Now I will show that static charge by performing some activities. Activity number 1. For this activity, we want 2 inflated balloons and 1 silk cloth. Now we should rub these 2 balloons with silk cloth. After rubbing, they will repel each other. In this activity, we can see that balloons are repelling each other. Why? Because they have same charge. Can repel each other. Activity number 2. For this activity, we want 1 tin can, 1 PVC pipe, 1 silk cloth. First, we should rub this PVC pipe with silk cloth. After rubbing, we should take this pipe nearer to this. It will come to attract. In this activity, the PVC pipe has some charge and tin can has another charge. So they have different charges. So we can conclude that unlike charges can attract each other. Activity number 3. For this activity, we want some sugar particles, refill and 1 silk cloth. First we should rub this refill with silk cloth. After rubbing this refill, we should take nearer to these sugar particles. See, for this refill, some sugar particles will attract. In this activity, we can show that sugar particles has some charge and the refill has another charge. So they have different charges. So they are attracting each other. Activity number 4. For this activity, you want some piece of papers, 1 refill and 1 silk cloth. Now we should rub this refill with silk cloth. After rubbing this refill, we should take nearer to the piece of papers. See, some papers are attracting this. In this activity, piece of papers has different charge and refill has different charge. So we can conclude that unlike charges can attract each other. In these 4 activities, we can conclude that there are 2 types of charges, like charges and unlike charges. Like charges can repel each other and unlike charges can attract each other. Now coming to the activity number 5. In this activity, I taken 1 cardboard sheet, 1 glass, 1 iron rod, 1 straw and 2 safety pins, 1 refill and 1 silk cloth. First we should take the glass and we should take 1 cardboard sheet and we should cover this like a lid. And we should take 1 straw and we should put in the middle of the cardboard sheet. And in that straw we should keep 1 iron rod. For this iron rod we should make 1 hook. In this hook we should keep 2 safety pins. Now we should rub this refill with silk cloth. Here there is 1 caution. We should not touch these safety pins to the bottom of the glass. After rubbing this refill, we should keep this refill nearer to this iron rod. See that 2 safety pins are repelling each other. This is called electroscope. First of all, what is electroscope? Electroscope is a device which is used to say whether the object is carrying some charge or not. These are the activities that I have made. Thank you.